Hi friends, recording this video to share the mic quality. So on my previous video, the front dash cam recording, there was a request to share the audio quality. So I am creating this video. So this camera is mounted on co-passenger side, and I'm sitting on driver seat and driving, and I believe you can hear the sound quality. This looks better and good, I believe. Okay, and along with that, I would like to share experience from few days, okay, since I installed this camera. The camera quality, I mean the recording quality, is really very good. Okay, I enjoyed. And other than that, the product quality itself is very good, and the packaging was awesome. Okay, I could get this camera in just 10 days. Okay, other than that, if I have to mention something, okay, it is very lightweight and it has Wi-Fi 4, so basically supports both the bands. Okay, so faster transmission of files, and things which I did not like are something very minor though. Service is another factor. Okay, you will not find service in the local market for this, in the sense, they are not providing warranty here. You will have to send it back to the seller to get any service in case of problems. And the last thing, I could see a lot of reflection, okay, in this front camera recording. So I was trying to find a CPL filter, okay, which can fit this lens thread. Alternatively, you people can go for M800 series, which comes with a default CPL lens. Okay, these were few things. I believe now you have got the audio quality. Just do comment if you like it, don't like it, whatever. I thought it would help you people. Thank you. Bye.